Hey there! Welcome back to Tech Kingo. If you are searching for the best dual-bay hard drive enclosure, you have definitely come to the right place today. We are looking at a highly helpful piece of technology that will make managing your extra external storage so much easier, faster, and more secure. We have some truly great things to cover today. Let's get started. The product we are focusing on today is the Ugreen CM198 dual-bay hard drive enclosure. This is a magic box for your extra hard drives. It is designed as an efficient dual-bay docking station, supporting both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch SATA hard drives and solid-state drives. This is useful because you can plug in and run two different drives at the exact same time. Plus, it features a simple plug-and-play design. You do not need to download confusing software or search for complicated drivers. You just plug it in, and it is instantly ready to use, making it completely accessible for beginners and professionals alike. One of the absolute best things about the Ugreen CM198 is its amazing offline cloning feature. This allows you to safely copy data directly from one hard drive to another, without even connecting the device to a computer. This makes backing up important files or upgrading old drives effortless. When you do connect it to your computer, you will experience blazing fast data speeds thanks to the USB 3.0 connectivity. It has the power to transfer a massive 1 GB file in just a few short seconds. This is going to save you precious time when moving large media folders or heavy documents. If you have a ton of heavy files, you are going to love the storage capacity on this device. This Ugreen enclosure supports up to an astonishing 40 terabytes of total storage space. Each of the two bays can handle a 20 terabyte drive individually. This massive capacity is perfect for professional video editors, software developers, or anyone managing large data libraries. On top of that impressive capacity, the physical design features a tool-free installation process. You do not need to find screwdrivers to put your drives in or take them out. You can swap your drives out in mere seconds without any headache. Moving on to the design and safety features, the Ugreen CM198 dual-bay hard drive enclosure is built with fast heat dissipation. This means the structure pushes hot air away quickly to keep your drives cool while they work hard. It also includes an intelligent smart sleep function. If your connected drives are not being used for 15 minutes, the docking station automatically goes into sleep mode. This is helpful because it extends the life of your hard drives and prevents them from wearing out. Finally, you never have to worry about your computer type because it is widely compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems. Do not miss out on upgrading your storage setup today. Check the price link in the description to find the best deal. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more tech videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.